Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2013 Ford F550 we have for sale. It is a two-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 179,000 miles on it. It has an 11-foot Knapheide service body with a 3,200-pound IMT hydraulic crane. It has a VMAX engine-driven air compressor, Miller Welder. Really nice truck, one-owner truck, super clean. I think we just put new brakes all the way around it, serviced it, so it should be ready to go. It's raining here, but we got this truck done and we wanted to get it put online, so gonna go ahead and do the video. Just bear with me on the rain. Nice set of tires all the way around. Excuse me, Miller Bobcat 225 welder. American Eagle drawers. Vise. Set of American Eagle slide up doors. Crane. Up. Weights down. Extension out. Extension in. Side to side rotation. Down. Have one single outrigger here. compartment lights. Alright, so if you're interested in purchasing this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher, so what we do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York, Wisconsin, anywhere you're at in the United States, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for the truck. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. It depends a lot where you're located, the weather, a lot of different factors. But you know, I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up here, the exact second they're going to pull up in your drive. It's just unrealistic. Those are unrealistic expectations, but there are people out there that have those. And if you're one of those people, the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to see the truck. Has to be a certified bank check. But back to the shipping. If you decide to go that route, normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. I felt like I didn't, but on average, we've been doing this for 12, 13 years now. That's about normally how long it takes you to get the truck. You know, unless you live out in California, if you buy a truck today and I ship it today, they're still going to take 5 to 7 days to get there. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, I guess that's about it on this one. Really nice truck, set up with everything you need: crane, compressor, welder, got plenty of drawers. Really nice truck. So give me a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching. HeavyMetalAuto.com.